Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Today I am reacting to, excuse me, a beef that is brewing out there in Eswatini. Okay, so yeah, one of this artists who's involved into this is my friend, a friend of mine. Actually, yeah, Lyrikal Busta. What's up, bro? And I listened to this, obviously, mind you, I can understand just a few here and there of what the song is saying, but I can tell you guys, this is a beef. Okay, the song is fire. Obviously, it's going to be timeless, looking forward, going forward, and it's going to be one of those songs that people will come back to listen to and be like, yeah, 2026 was a crazy year for sure in Eswatini. Anyway, let's get to Lyrikal Busta. And the name of the song is Inyoka YeBafati. I don't know what that means, but it's an audio, obviously. So let's get to it. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to so you don't miss any of the uploads. Okay.
Basukela inyoka emgodini labafana bavuse tifunywa abakhulu angale ngalokho kuthikona kuyakhonya khona mina mfana kakhulu ngaphuka njobo ngikuthi yehlobo konja kashuku angibuye ngalokho sekubeka imibono sithestane ngelikhono nje sishuku big bully jumping on the track mina ufana lo
I don't know. I feel like if this song had visuals, it would be crazy. That's all I can say. Hey. Yeah, there's something he said there is like let me see. Like, yo, why you putting me in this? I'm just watching. Anyway, yo, okay. You guys in Eswatini, let me know in the comment section what the beef is all about, because I don't like I'm saying, I can only get snippets here and there. I don't really know. Hey. I love the flow though. I love how he's like flowing with the language, you know what I mean? Like rhyming as well at the same time. It's a whole story. I cannot translate for you guys, but I can get like the gist of it.
Utenda msulutenda ufundisi flow yakulu ithole chemist leke tsafunda ngicocela ke story sathambo bafana ke ndale bathi bengisolo ntithule iflembutana ngitiluse inja tami tethuku kakhudeke ngaze ngahlala nganoma lo mfana vele ufuna kutenda mina video concerts and flow solo bhatha mina sozongisa kwesiso lokade swamina ayisuka man ayisuka manonke bafana bamanlethe pande ngicebule bafana ngijikela lidweba ngamfakela umsungu wagwinya. I thought you were pushing an album, but how did you end at the palm of my hand? Uchayivela skingy sami when ulgroupi lami solo rapper ngami.
Yo, I mean, I don't know how Lyrikal Busta does, but this flow on this man is so beautiful. Like, even if you don't understand what he is saying, if you appreciate hip hop, if you appreciate rap, you already know like this is beautiful. It has all the things, has all the emotion, the voice, the intonation of the thing. It's just brilliant stuff. Like, this is hip hop, and I do hope that I don't know what the beef is all about. I do hope that it's peaceful. Hopefully I'm not like perpetuating something that is putting a lot of people at risk. If I am, I really apologize, but I think it's all in the name of music. Like if we just like put it in all in the music, then I don't see any harm there. But this is what hip hop does. It's thriving this way. And he's not here to play, man. He's not here to play. He is killing it. Alvin the Chipmunk. Rebecca Malope will rap.
I got the kids that I give him a star. Get a lesson for Chin El Papa. This is what I'm saying. The only number one in Kaba. I'm GT and Kaba. I'm falling got 10 Ada. Struggle hobby.
You only number one Ngabang, which is like you only number one in your imagination. Woo, savage. Shots fired. Okay.
Crash. Pull up ngemvuka ukhalintwana encane lesigubhu selithatha sikatsa napasta yalibhekithe distract ngomsanga ngide simbambela umhlanga bona sokudidwa kunembanga maphefoma wena kumele sivale indleba ngitusuku memede shweda penny penny njengale role model lakho sifuna le mali yentaba kuthekele content utenda important ukatsa bakubede ICC maqedza babede daveda shaya ingoma bosiphathele kwangathi nathi besikolo rap ngwane incothe ngibekhola futhi uyaqhaza
Yo, this sounds like a freestyle that Lyrikal Busta is doing here. I don't know if he had written those things down. Sounds like whatever he's saying sounds true. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this, man. If you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. If you're from Eswatini, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let us know in the comment section what is going on out there. What's up with this beef that is going on, and what is the song all about, man? And I honestly, like I said, I can hear some things here and there because I understand Zulu, a little bit of Ndebele, so I can, like, you know, some words are similar. Just put two and two and be like, oh, okay, this is what it's talking about, but I cannot get the overall stuff. And maybe if I knew what the beef is all about, if I can like look at the context. Anyway, I am also biased. Lyrikal Busta, like I said, is a friend of mine, so I'm going to support him regardless. And I do want to see you guys subscribing to his YouTube page and listen to his songs on Spotify, all the beautiful things that he has done. Beautiful songs. I was actually going to play one of my favorite songs before we go anywhere further. There's one of the songs that is still stuck in my head of Lyrikal Busta from Afro Bliss album. Okay, let's see. Featuring Liz Harris. This is one of my favorite songs, and I play so much that my kids can, like, you know, hum to this song, which is crazy because I'm like, I just love the story on it. Like I said, Afro Bliss, one of my favorite albums as well. One of my favorite albums from Lyrikal Busta. If you have not listened to it, go listen to it now, okay? Yo, I don't even know why this song is not promoted out there in Eswatini. I told Lyrikal Busta, like, this is my favorite song. And I think I told him 2 years ago when he was advertising this, I was like, yo, this song right here is my favorite song. I don't know why you guys are not listening to it. It's speaking facts, speaking about true things. Whatever is happening in there could happen anywhere in the street of Africa. I feel like it might have happened in the streets of Botswana. So, oh, by the way, did I tell you guys, my name is TT. I am from Botswana, but I currently reside here in the US of A. See you guys on the other side.